snoring. Do you know if your old man is snoring? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. So the Emperor, oh yeah, calling back cycle ended. Success though, success. We got 8, right? Divine timing for this to happen. And this is in the 8 is representing the 8th chakra. So this is above like your instincts. This your instincts on instincts. This your instincts instincting. Just like a newborn baby dropped on a new planet in a new world in a new environment and knowing what to do.